So you see, all these, all of them are tomatoes. Maybe some peppers too, but mainly look like tomatoes. I'm gonna dig the big ones up. Might as well get some free tomatoes out of them. You throw tomato seeds, it goes through the chicken eventually. They grow, and I don't know if this soil, it's been burned here, it's been used in the sense of compost and burning, but I don't know if it's gonna would actually grow anything. But I'll let them stay. But I'm gonna dig some of the big ones up and get about 10 of them, and if the other ones can grow and make it, get a little bit bigger, I'll transplant them directly in the garden. But I want to put at least 8 to 10 in the greenhouse. Not all the tomatoes have been popping up. I don't have any peppers up. I'll show you in a few seconds all the stuff I have. I'm gonna dig all these up and put them in the greenhouse. So of course, you have tomatoes, you're gonna have pumpkins and stuff. So these are probably pumpkins. There's some over there. So them are probably pumpkins. All pumpkins because all the pumpkins I got from Halloween. But probably a lot of things are gonna start popping up. I'm gonna go check the garden and see what's over in that area. Should be stuff over here. I threw a lot of strawberries and lettuce over here, and so I wonder what will pop up over time. But we had stuff grow, and they grew in the compost pile, and we just let them grow. And like, I'm not gonna pull them up. If I'm pretty 90% sure they're pumpkin, so I just let them do what they want to do. Hopefully it won't frost anymore, but if they want to grow, let them grow, and they can just grow out and be vegetation here. The chickens can eat them or play with them or let them get big, and then or just let them grow how they want to. I really could care less, but got like a little forest of fucking tomatoes. Probably gonna end up digging all those up. Because I'm gonna be impatient and like, okay, I don't want them to die, because my concept is free food's free food. But this is all over. Anyway, see ya. So these are the 10 tomatoes I got out the ground just now, and got some beautiful Ollie's compost. I'm gonna put them in. Be right back. Got them planted into the pot. Had a pretty bigger pot to put them in. So got 10, and then I don't know what type of tomatoes they'd be. Probably just like the big, juicy ones you get at the store. It could be some Roma's variety, probably some beefsteak variety, but at least when I grow it, it's going to be a little bit different. Of course, organic, and it's pretty cool to get that out the ground for free. Got some Betterboard hybrid, got 4 of them. Got 1 Brandywine, and then got Roma tomatoes, got 11 of those. Got 1 with 2 here. This tomato right here is falling, and you prop that up. And then no peppers. None of the peppers popped up. So I've been moving them around. I think what I'm going to do with this pot is kind of grate it up. And see, I just had the seed. That's the seed right there. It's nothing. No germination at all. So I'm gonna redo some peppers. These are bell, and maybe 2 pots, and see if I can get some peppers, because I don't want to buy any. I do have seeds. I forgot to bring the bag with me from inside. I have a whole bag full of seeds I have to go through that I just bought the other day. So anyway, I'm gonna redo that, and I might redo some of this row right here. I don't know what that was. This is a sweet pepper right here. Supposed to be all sweet, and nothing came up. So I might redo that too. So see if it's a seed problem, because a lot of these seeds I had, been a little while, had them. Most of them should be fine, but some of them are just a pain in the butt. Sometimes you have to reseed multiple times. It just depends on the type, and sometimes it takes longer. These popped up in the first 3 days. Them just popped up a couple days ago. So these are about 2 weeks old, and them are about 3 days old. So it just really depends on the type of seed and type of plant and the weather and all that. It was 85 the other day, and now it's 65 today. So just really depends. Anyway, I'll show you some other stuff in a minute.